my channels, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So for today's video, it is going to be a haul video. So it is going to be a Nykaa haul. Yes you guys, it's not like that कि मैं सब चीज़ एक ही साथ खरीदी हूँ, इसमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. तो कुछ कुछ सेल्स में होने लगे थे तो सेल्स के में खरीद ली थी, कुछ कुछ वहाँ ज़रूरत था तो ले लिए, ऐसा है. एंड इवन नायका का शायद शिपिंग बहुत फास्ट होने लगा है इधर, तो अराउंड 2 days में आ जाता था. तो आई थॉट कि वाई नॉट टू ग्रैब सम ऑफ द थिंग्स. एंड ऑल्सो कुछ चीज़ें पिंक फ्राइडे सेल में भी था, बट आई डेंट गेट टू शूट बिकॉज इट्स life is a mess right now. I down and thought कि like भाई एक ही दिन with the haul. But before we get started, I would like to request to hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you get notified. Let's begin with the haul. So first starting with, I'll begin with skincare. Mostly the product is of skincare. शायद एक या दो मेकअप प्रोडक्ट है, that's it. बाकी सब स्किन केयर हेयर केयर में आता है. एक या दो री-परचेजेस होंगे and that's it. So let's begin. So let's start with our first product. Our first product is this Mamaearth का Upton face mask. So I have heard a lot about it, literally a lot, but ये थोड़ा ज़्यादा pricey है. I guess like 499 है. So I used to like skip it, like भाई रहने देता है, बाद में लेंगे. But in Nykaa Pink Friday sale ना, it became like for rupees 350 you can say. I remember 350 था ना, हाँ 350 था. 350. I'll mention every product link in the description, so if you want to check it out, kindly do check it out. So this is the product, you guys. I was eyeing on this product for so long. It comes with turmeric, saffron and apricot oil. It says for skin brightening. Honestly I don't like went for it for skin brightening, but मतलब one part of me wanted to check whether it genuinely brighten your skin or not. So because Upton is known for skin brightening, right? बचपन से यही तो सुनते आए हैं हम लोग. This is all about it. So this is the consistency of the product, and I think ना product में शायद you get 100 mg of product in 499 if you're buying it for full price. Other than that, for 350 if you get it, or even lesser, then it's nice. And Mamaearth also does a thing, I feel, मुझे जहाँ तक याद है कि when you buy a product they plant a tree on your name. Is not on your name, but because you buy the product they plant a tree. So it is also good for this, and also it is silicone free, dermatologically tested, and with bioactivities. Ingredients are mentioned, and also for the direction of use. For the direction of use, it's written like wash your face with Mamaearth Upton face wash, and of course it is like an ad. You can just wash your face with your face wash and dab your face, and then apply the layer of face mask and on your clean face and neck. And of course your face needs to be clean. You do never apply face masks on dirty faces. Yes, keep it for 15 minutes and rub and wash off with lukewarm water. For best result, use twice a week. A week है ना, हाँ twice a week, but I have used it only once in 15 days because I thought कि मैं Sundays को स्किन केयर करूँगी, बिकॉज नॉर्मल जो प्रॉपर स्किन केयर रूटीन में फॉलो करती थी वो इधर आने के बाद तो कहीं खो सा गया है. Second Mamaearth product, I feel I got the first one, the vitamin C serum, which is really great. I don't complain about it. So I think I'll not also complain about it because मैं इसको अप्लाई की थी एक बार, as I said. तो उसमें ना I think we should not be applying this during winters because skin बहुत dry हो जाता है, and yeah, skin बहुत dry हो जाता है. I think we should apply it during summers more. Which was the second product. The second product is this M-Caffeine coffee scrub, and this is my first ever M-Caffeine purchase because again I feel M-Caffeine is also pricey. मुझे ना कभी कभी लगता है मेरे को हर चीज़ें प्राइसी लगता है. No, this is not pricey. This is only for rupees 229. That means I got it for rupees 200, of course. And I thought this is the best one because I got this freebie with it. And wherever there is a freebie, I feel like नहीं भाई ये भी ले लेता है. It's nice. And also I got it because I feel like मेरा बहुत ही white heads होने लगे थे इधर आके, तो I felt like कॉफ़ी स्क्रब या फिर शुगर स्क्रब ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. तो मैं आँख बंद करके M-Caffeine पे चली गई because for coffee I think it is the best exfoliates. Yes, it does exfoliate very nicely. It reduces acne. I don't know about it, I can't comment about it. It reduces spots and pigmentation. Again, I don't feel like it reduces spots and pigmentation, because no, because we cannot use scrub every day, right? So we use once in a week. So I have used it once or twice in a week, and I don't think it reduces spots and pigmentation, and I cannot comment about acne. But I think it does exfoliate. It does exfoliate, and the best thing about it is the smell. It literally smells like coffee, cappuccino. I love the smell. I apply it just because of the smell. So now coming to the freebies, I got this pouch, and in this pouch there are the mini versions of the M-Caffeine face wash, M-Caffeine scrub again, and also M-Caffeine face mask. And also I've applied this M-Caffeine espresso fake coffee face mask, which is very tiny, but you can at least apply it for 2 to 3 times. As you can see the consistency, and I think this is what we should apply during winters, because it moisturizes our face, but it literally smells divine. I love coffee. I am like a coffee person, so I love this. But मुझे लगाने के बाद ना लगता है मैं क्या खाने का चीज़ लगा लिया है. आई लिटरली स्मेल्स लाइक कॉफ़ी आफ्टर अप्लाइंग दिस. उसको धोने के बाद भी वो स्मेल लाइक कॉफ़ी फॉर ए वेरी लॉन्ग टाइम. एंड देन कम दिस टू. दिस इज द M-Caffeine scrub, and this is the face wash. I've used this face wash. I think the face wash is almost about to complete, so you can easily say how much I love them, and it is very refreshing. Means once in the morning, if you wash your face with this, you will wake up like this. It is very refreshing, very very refreshing. Other than that, I always use this my Clean and Clear face wash, but because it wakens me up very, and I think now these samples would last you for a long time. Means easily आपको अच्छा खासा स्क्रब का बात करें तो you can scrub, and face mask का बात करें, it will last you 1 month, because once in a week and once or twice in a week. But coming to face wash, I think it will last you 15 to 20 days maximum. So the third thing in the skin category is this Pond's Super Light Gel. It is my third purchase, you guys, and I literally love this. Literally love this because it is so lightweight. I from the day I started using it, I never looked back to any other face moisturizer, whether it be winter, summer. I know this is my all season favorite, and it's just very very cheap. This is the mini version, I guess, and this for the MRP rupees 154. You can easily get it for 120 and so on in various other websites other than Nykaa events. So you can definitely check other website and choose the best deal possible. Really love this and don't complain about it ever, and I don't think I'll ever complain about it. It is like the hyaluronic acid and vitamin E moisturizer. Last thing that I bought from my skin category, yes, the last thing. So this is the Biotech lip balm, whitening lip balm. Yes, this is, which is very nice. It also comes with a lid, but I have eventually thrown it out because I am very lazy to just open this and then that and then just apply. And also this is a repurchase again. I really love the smell about it, and I really feel that it is brightening, and I have like dark lips, so may this will work. And if it doesn't even work for my dark lips or to lighten my lips, I really love it because it does give a good moisturizing to my lips, because sometimes my lips are like super duper dry because I drink less water maybe, but it does the job. So I got it this, and you won't believe, like I have also used the Laneige ka lip balm and also this, but I prefer this over that. Means you can see how much this is rupees 175, but you can easily get it for rupees 120 to 150 in various other websites and also in Nykaa. So do check it out and get the best deal possible, I always say. Coming to the next category, the next category is hair care category, and this is the first time that I got something for my hair care from Nykaa. So yeah, so firstly I got this vitamin ka protein hair cream extra nourishment. I also have the dandruff one, and also this is a repurchase. It is a very cheap hair cream, you guys. ये almost ख़त्म हो गया, almost, and मुझे आलस आता है यूज़ करने में, लेकिन I do use it sometimes. वो even it is so cheap. Can you literally guess the प्राइस और हिमालय है ना, तो ऐसे हम लोग सोच लेते हैं कि चीप तो होगा ही. तो इट इज़ ओनली फॉर ₹80 एंड द वर्क इट डज इज ग्रेट. It gives you nourishment. It doesn't make your hair frizzy. It gives a protein to your hair, the needful protein. For example, मैं जब घर में थी ना, I used to always hear like we should apply like egg in our hair to make it more nourishes or to make it healthy maybe. But this is what I got because I know I cannot bear the smell and then like keep it for 1 to 2 hours. So this is for you. It says it keeps your hair healthy and I really believe it because it has reduced my hair fall. So yeah. So the next thing I got is this hair serum from Strix. The version of hair serum, it retails for ₹110 or it retails for ₹100, which is also a very good serum. I apply it after my hair wash, after shampoo and conditioner. I do apply it. It gives you a smooth hair and also it feels like light. Your hair feels lightweight, smooth and not too frizzy. On the list category, that is a makeup category. So first of all, I have this Inside Cosmetics matte lipstick, bullet lipstick. Yes, I have bullet lipstick. I genuinely don't go for bullet lipstick. I don't know why, because I don't go for bullet lipstick because I feel वो अच्छा look नहीं देता. But this time I thought let's just review this. So I got this lipstick and it's also for ₹80. मतलब इसका और इसका price same है. It's also for ₹80. This is also for ₹80. I got one in the shade red, another one in the shade like nude brown. For the very first time, I always go for shades of red because I feel it matches my skin shade. As you can see, this is such a beautiful red. And this one also retails for ₹80. Though packaging में थोड़ा difference है. The red one shade name is Burgundy Affair and this one is shade name is Nude Coffee. But as you can see, I have not even swatched it because I literally know that this is not my cup of tea. But the pigmentation, you guys, it's awesome pigmented. But I know for a fact that I cannot use this. I cannot pull it over because this is not the right nude shade for me. I feel like I am very skeptical about nude shades. I want to try but I don't know which one will suit me, so I go safely. So I play safe and go with reds or burgundies or wine colors. But let's see. The last but not the least product of this haul is this Nykaa BB cream, the Skin Genius BB cream. This retails for ₹349 and I got it for ₹319, and you can easily get it in Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart, I guess. Do check it out. It I got is Classic 10 number 5. I reviewed it in my channel, so do check that out if you want to know about it a bit more. Do watch it. You will not regret it. I'll link it up in the I button. For this video, you guys, if you have liked anything about the video, kindly subscribe button and also the bell icon so whenever I post a video you get notified. Bye my gems, see you next time.